Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Just wanted to tap in with everybody. Gonna give a little footage of my Buick Regal and my '89 Broham. Shout out to Sandman Designs for my pedals, my vents. Got some more parts coming for my '79 box that I'm putting together. Definitely be out real soon. I'm gonna post a little video of it. Bodywork's complete and it's about to be painted by this Friday. Uh, Here's a little sneak peek of my pedals that Sandman Design did for me. Got Track Life engraved, my logo, my vents. Definitely about to be some real pressure going on. So, I'm about to go outside. I got to take my Regal to go get it vacuumed out, get ready for the Good Guys car show this weekend. Uh, then we have the car show coming up August 1st. My man Eric Money is putting it together here in Columbus, Ohio. Stunner Reese will be in the building. Sugarman on that will be in the building. I don't know. And my man Easy Money, he might be in the building too. He posted something earlier today on the story on IG. But here's a little footage of one of my babies. 1977 Buick Regal. She is a 50-footer though. I would tell you that. She is a 50-footer. She needs some work. I got her as a project. I seen this car about 4 or 5 years ago for the first time. I seen it again about almost 2 years ago, and I had to get it. I've had this car about a year and a half, maybe somewhere around there, but I had to get it though. I seen it, had to get it this time. She a little dirty. I'm about to go get it vacuumed out. It's an older restoration that somebody did. Got to get some new weather stripping. But I will be taking her to the Good Guys, just drive around there since my other car is not ready. This is my '89 Broham. Got lights coming in. She a little under the weather as well. Bought this as a project in a steel. Dash intact. Headliner intact. I got that piece coming. Some door straps. And she definitely sound pretty good too though. She sound damn good too. This is my clothing line, Track Life. I will be selling my merch at the car show. So if you see me, support. We're looking good over here. Wait till y'all see the '79 though. Pressure, straight pressure. I'm definitely gonna have one of the coldest '79s in the city of Columbus, in Ohio, period. I got some competition down south, but I'm coming for y'all niggas next too. You know what I'm saying? Chill, man. Just want to get a little footage. Just started my little channel. Very excited for it. Many more things to come. I will be going to Stunner Reese and Demonology's little retreat they're having in Myrtle Beach in November to jumpstart my YouTube page and stuff as well. Try to get my name out there, my brand. But yeah, I don't do this. I don't do this for play. Got Chevy tatted on my hand. Like, I love this. But I'm about to get ready to go, vacuum out the car, and I'll get back with y'all soon.